Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Backs. Have you ever been stopped by a traffic police officer and suddenly forgotten all the English you know? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, you will watch a simple, polite, and funny English conversation between a boy riding a bike and a traffic police officer. This dialogue is designed especially for English beginners, using easy words, slow sentences, and real-life situations that you can actually use in daily life. Along with learning English, this conversation also teaches traffic manners, respect, and confidence, all with light humor to keep learning enjoyable. So relax, listen carefully, and learn how to speak English politely and confidently in real-life situations.
Excuse me, young man. Please stop your bike on the side.
Yes, sir. I am stopping. Good morning, sir. Is everything okay?
Good morning. Everything is okay, but I want to talk to you for a moment.
Of course, sir. Please tell me. Did I do something wrong?
Relax first. You look more scared than a student before an exam.
Sir, exams are easier than traffic police.
That is not true. We only teach discipline, not fear.
Yes, sir. I understand. I always respect traffic rules.
That is good to hear. But tell me one thing honestly. Why were you in such a hurry?
Sir, actually, I am late for college. My class starts at 9, and my bike alarm did not wake me up.
Your bike has an alarm?
No, sir. I mean my phone. My bike is innocent.
Very smart answer. But hurry does not mean breaking rules.
Yes, sir. You are right. I was not speeding, sir. I was just moving fast emotionally.
Emotionally fast is also dangerous.
Sir, I promise I will ride slowly now. My mother also says, reach late, but reach alive.
Your mother is a wise woman. Do you wear a helmet every day?
Yes, sir, always. My head is very important. It has all my dreams inside.
And maybe some homework too.
Yes, sir, but homework sleeps sometimes.
Okay, show me your license, please.
Here you go, sir. Please hold it gently. It is new, like my confidence.
Everything is correct. Good job. Many boys do not even have a license.
Sir, without license, I only ride my cycle. In my dreams.
That is good. Tell me, why do you think traffic rules are important?
Sir, traffic rules save lives. They protect people. And they also protect bikes, because bikes have feelings too.
You are very creative. Do you like English?
Yes, sir. I am learning English. Sometimes English likes me. Sometimes it ignores me.
You are speaking well. Practice every day. Talk slowly and clearly.
Thank you, sir. You are teaching English and traffic together.
That is free education. No fine today.
Thank you so much, sir. You saved my money and my day.
Remember one thing. Rules are not to punish you. They are to protect you.
Yes, sir. I will remember. I will ride slowly and safely.
Good. Now go to college and do not race with time.
Yes, sir. Have a great day, and thank you for your kindness.
Have a safe ride, and tell your friends, traffic police are friendly, not scary.
Yes, sir. I will tell everyone. Goodbye.